This Century 21 The Real Estate Center property video is presented by Gary Hoffer. Welcome home to this sun-filled split foyer. Home features 2 oversized garages with remotes. Garage has plenty of storage and workshop area. Main level has vaulted ceilings in living and dining rooms. Sliders off dining room leads to huge rear deck. Kitchen has been upgraded from top to bottom, floors, granite SS appliances and cabinets. 3 bedrooms and full bath complete the main level. Primary bedroom has own entrance to bath. Lower level has huge family room and upgraded full bath. Sliders lead to rear patio and luscious green yard. Laundry room has door to backyard. Oversized storage shed conveys. Voluntary HOA $50 a year. For more information